Hi everyone, this is Anne-Marie Carrier from Kennesaw State University iTeach, and I'm here to share a few tips and tricks on how to properly set up your OneNote Class Notebook for students. So, let's get started. So it's so easy to set up your OneNote Class Notebook for students. However, when you go into your Office 365 dashboard and you look at all these wonderful tools that are provided, the OneNote button will lead you to your own specific OneNote. However, to set up your class notebook, we need to click this icon right here. Once we've chosen that, it's going to ask us what we want to do. Of course, we're going to create our class notebook today, and we're going to give it a name and click Next. Now, this just tells us about the settings on our different three spaces. We have a collaboration space where all students can work together, content library where you can publish any materials you want to share with your students, and then a private student notebook where they can work and contribute content. You can add a co-teacher if you'd like. You can add your students if you have a small group, but I'm going to show you a quicker way. And then here is where we need to design and set up our student notebook. So you might not want handouts in your notebook. You might want project information. You might want some unit notes so your students know what topic they're looking for. Homework if I'd like to distribute some assignments, maybe quizzes and tests. And then I'm going to add one for questions so that my students can type in questions as they're learning in this section, and we can go back and review them when we meet, whether virtually or in the classroom. So go ahead and click Next. This will allow you to see what your notebook is going to look like from your perspective and here from the student's perspective, including all of these different tabs. Click Create. Once this opens, it's going to give you the option to download the Class Notebook add-in. So that's the web app that's going to give you many more features than in the OneNote online version. But I can click here, and I can see that my OneNote notebook is ready for my students to begin. If I had added students, their names would be right here on the left under Content Library. But to get my students, the quickest way to do this on the right-hand side is to choose Share. And this will provide me with a link that I can send to my students. I can post on an assignment page, on my blog, on my website, that they can click and they could join my class very simply. So I simply click here, copy link. And now that I have that link, I can put that anywhere my students can access it. I can do that by QR code or by creating a short URL if it's easier for my younger learners to access. Last but not least, I do want to show you what the other online version looks like. So I have the desktop app here. And when I open the same notebook, you can see across the top, it gives me many more features. I can create a page that I want to distribute to all my students. I can create an entire section. Potentially, maybe I want to share the presentations that I'm sharing in class and post them here. I can copy content from my page to my students' notebook in their content library with this button. And then once I've distributed an assignment to each of them, I can review their work. This is all what's available to you in the OneNote notebook. Hope you try it today. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel or visit our website at iteach.kennesaw.edu.